Hello guys. Okay, today I'm going to show you how you have to uh, install the software and how you have to add your license to the software. In the previous video I have explained you the purposes of this GMB lead scraper, uh, how you can scrape the leads from Google Maps and reach out to the clients to help them to grow their business or optimize their GMB listing and much more. I have explained everything in the previous video. Today I'm just going to show you how you have to use the software, activate the software and install the software. Okay, after you will purchase the software from the website, you have to contact me from my email or Skype so that I can make your license. You just have to send me your email address. Then I will generate your license against this software, and then I will also send you the downloadable file that will be look like this. After downloading the zip file, you have to right click and extract. Okay, you can delete this if you want. Then you have to, first of all, you have to add this file or maybe this folder in your Windows Defender exclusions folder, or if you have any antivirus, then you have to add it in the exclusions there. I don't have any antivirus, so I have a Windows Defender. Now I will show you how to add this software folder in Windows Defender. The reason why I am asking you to whitelist this software because it will just show you those some of the antivirus will give you a false positives that this is the virus, but many people know me. I'm making the software for last 10 years, so this is very authentic software. You just have to go to the Windows and then Windows Defender or security. Okay, after security you have to go here and then manage settings. Scroll down. This is the section that where you have to add your folder. uh, it is the best practice if you make a one folder, for example, like bots by any company, for example, right? And then you just have to GMB bot, for example, right? So you just have to whitelist this one software, I mean with this one folder. Then you can, for example, traffic bot. You can put all of your folders of the software inside this one main folder. Then you just have to whitelist this one folder or maybe this folder. It's up to you. Okay, now you have to tell this to the settings, add exclusions folder. Go here, Control V. I have copied the path from here, right? And select folder, right? Okay, now this is done. Nothing else you have to do. This was the first step you have to do after extracting the software, right? After that, there is one more thing. You have to allow this exe file to the Windows firewall. Allow an app through Windows firewall, right? Now you have to change settings, allow another app, browse. Okay, after these two things you are done. You don't have to do any other settings for the software. And in my PC, actually everything is already installed, like .NET framework and other uh, required things. but obviously in your PC for the first time it will take some time to download the support file, so you don't have to interrupt that and let it download everything. Anyway, now let's right click, run as admin. It will ask you to give the license information. This is the email and key that I will generate for you when you will ask me after purchase. So I will send you this key and obviously your email which you are using for purchase. For example, my license is, this is just the test license. I have added the email, I have added the key, submit, that's it. Now it will register your license with the licensing system. Now it will verify and it will open the software for you. Okay, I think this license is a number of, well, now let's try again. I have reset my license. Actually, the activation was just one for one PC, and I did another installation. That's why it was asking me to that you don't have any other permission to activate your license. So if you need multiple licenses, then you can ask me. If you just need one license, then it will be a regular license. For now, I have just reset my license so that I can show you the software. Okay, this is the interface of the software. You just have to add the keyword or niche where you want to scrape the leads from and the location. For example, I need laptops or maybe just SEO companies. For example, this is my keyword. I actually want to reach out the companies that have that are working in SEO in Miami or New York or whatever the country or city you like to scrape leads from, right? Run, that's it, and now it will do the magic for you and you can see the logs. And one more thing, you don't have to click anywhere anything uh, during the software is working, right? Because if you do it, it will interrupt the actions of the software and it will mess up the things. Okay, in the previous version 6, I have updated many things. There were many Google updates, like there were many scrolling changes and go to the next page. There were many different kind of updates by the Google, and also there were some uh, things that were not getting scraped, like ratings and reviews and some other things. So I have fixed everything, and version 6 has been launched and released for the auto update. Now it's doing its job. I think I have already showed you this. Today the purpose of the video was just to show you how you can register your license and how you can activate and how you can add it to the, hold on, yeah, it's working fine. Anyway, how you can do the Windows firewall thing, how you can do Windows Defender thing, how you can install and everything I have showed you, because many people were asking me how to fight with these kind of things. So these are just basic things, but obviously if you are running this software on your new PC and you don't have the license, extra license, then you have to contact with me. And also on the new PC it will require some time to download the support files, so have patience there and let the software download its stuff so that you can get the software working. Thank you for watching.